The first step, make sure that your vMix software is running and you are playing the video that you want to display. Make sure that the external output is enabled. Open VLC, there it is. Then the next step that you want to do is to click on media, then open capture device. It's going to open this window. Then under capture mode, leave it a direct show. Then video device name, change it to vMix video. If you want audio to be channeled as well, you can make changes to this, but if you just want the video, set it to none. Then on this button here, click on play. There might be other options, but just select play. Then your video that is playing on vMix will be displayed here. To scale it, click on video, then aspect ratio, then select 16 to ratio 9. There it is. When you display it on the other screen, it will be able to show in full resolution. Just drag it to the other side, then boom, it will be displayed on the other side as a full screen. Let's just check on the other side how it's showing. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that's Western United Television, as well as Victor One Orembe for more useful videos. Thank you. See you again.